Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable insights on health and wellness. In today's video, we have an exciting topic for you: the 8 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. If you're looking to improve your diet or maintain a low-carb lifestyle, you've come to the right place. So let's jump right in. When it comes to healthy eating, finding foods with no carbs and no sugar can be a game changer. Not only do they help you maintain stable blood sugar levels, but they also support weight management and overall well-being. Let's explore these superfoods together. First on our list is fresh leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and lettuce are incredibly nutritious and versatile. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these greens are excellent sources of fiber and have virtually no carbs or sugar. They are perfect for salads, smoothies, or as a side dish to any meal. Next up, we have lean proteins such as chicken breast, turkey, and fish. These protein-rich options are not only low in carbs and sugar, but also provide essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Incorporating lean proteins into your diet can support weight loss and help you maintain a healthy body composition. Moving on, let's talk about eggs. They are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and healthy fats. Eggs contain no carbs or sugar and are rich in nutrients like vitamins A, D, and B12. Whether boiled, scrambled, or used in various recipes, eggs are a nutritious addition to any low-carb, low-sugar diet. Our next contender is avocados. These creamy delights are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Avocados have minimal carbs and sugar content, making them an ideal choice for a satisfying and nutritious snack. You can enjoy them on their own, as guacamole, or in salads for a burst of flavor and goodness. Now, let's move on to nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are low in carbs and sugar while being rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals. They make for a convenient and nutritious snack that can help curb cravings and provide a lasting energy boost. The 6th food on our list is Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, low in carbs and sugar, and packed with probiotics that support gut health. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed on its own or incorporated into smoothies and recipes as a creamy and nutritious base. Next, we have broccoli and cauliflower. These cruciferous vegetables are not only low in carbs and sugar, but also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They offer a range of health benefits, including supporting digestion, boosting immunity, and providing antioxidants that promote overall wellness. Last, but certainly not least, we have berries. While most fruits contain natural sugars, berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are lower in carbs and sugar compared to other options. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them a delicious and healthy addition to any low-carb diet. And there you have it, the 8 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. By incorporating these nutrient-dense options into your diet, you can enjoy a wide variety of delicious meals while promoting your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting health and wellness tips. Remember, a healthy diet is a key to a vibrant life.